Hello students, welcome to another session of biology. Today we are going to start a new topic, that is microbes in human welfare. So let us start. So let us see what are the topics to be covered in this chapter. The first one is microbes in household products. Then microbes in industrial products, microbes in sewage treatment, microbes in production of biogas, and microbes in biocontrol agents. Besides macroscopic plants and animals, microbes are the major components of biological systems on this earth. So what are these microbes? Microbes are microorganisms which cannot be seen by the naked eyes. Microbes could be various types like bacteria, protozoans, fungi, viruses, viroids, and prions. These microbes belong to different kingdoms as they differ remarkably in their structure. Bacteria belong to kingdom Monera. They are simple unicellular prokaryotes. The given figure shows rod-shaped bacteria, spherical bacteria, and a row-shaped bacterium showing flagella. Protozoans belong to kingdom Protista. They are unicellular eukaryotic organisms. Fungi belong to kingdom Fungi. They may be unicellular or multicellular, having chitinous cell walls. Viruses do not belong to a separate group and are not a part of the five kingdom classification, as they are neither protokaryotes or eukaryotes and exhibit properties of both living and non-living things. They are considered to be the smallest living organisms, having nucleic acid enclosed in a protein coat. Viroids are small, circular, single-stranded molecules of RNA lacking any protein coat. They cause a few plant diseases. Prions are infectious protein molecules thought to be responsible for some diseases like spongiform encephalopathies. Now let us study about occurrence of the microbes. Microbes are present everywhere, in soil, water, air, inside our bodies, and that of other animals and plants. They are present even at sites where no other life forms could possibly exist. Sites such as deep inside the thermal vents, where the temperature may be as high as 100 degrees Celsius. Deep in the soil, under the layers of snow several meters thick, and in highly acidic environments. You have already read that microbes cause a large number of diseases in human beings. They also cause diseases in animals and plants. But this should not make you think that all microbes are harmful. Several microbes are useful to man in diverse ways. Some of the most important contributions of microbes to human welfare are discussed in this chapter. Students, you would be surprised to know that we use microbes or products derived from them every day. A common example is the production of curd from milk. Do you know how to make curd from milk? For making curd, we add a small amount of curd to milk, which act as a starter or inoculum. Lactobacillus or lactic acid bacteria present in starter multiply at suitable temperature and convert milk into curd. Acids released by lactic acid bacteria during the growth coagulates and partially digest milk protein. So what are the benefits of the lactic acid bacteria? It increases vitamin B12 amount, thus increasing nutrient quality of milk. It also checks disease causing microbes in stomach. The dough which is used for making foods such as dosha and idli is also fermented by bacteria. The puffed up appearance of dough is due to the production of carbon dioxide gas. Similarly, the dough which is used for making bread is fermented by using Saccharomyces cerevisiae, commonly called baker's yeast. A number of traditional drinks are also made by fermentation by the microbes. Toddy is a traditional drink of southern India. It is made by fermentation of sap from palm trees by bacteria. Cheese is one of the oldest food items in which microbes were used. Cheese is formed by partial degradation of milk by different microorganisms. Swiss cheese is formed by the bacterium Propionibacterium shermani. Its characteristic feature is formation of large holes due to production of large amount of carbon dioxide. Roquefort cheese is formed by ripening with fungi Penicillium roqueforti for a particular flavor.